You got a little coffee on you there, buddy. What was I saying? Oh, yeah. The city that never sleeps, always honks, and occasionally explodes. See what I mean? And right at the center of it all, me, Lieutenant Duke Detay. Officer, hero, coffee enthusiast. Thanks. Also true. Heck, I once arrested myself just to stay sharp. But today's not just about me. Boy, do I love coffee. See that building right there? That's the Bricksburg Police Academy. A place where legends, like myself, are made. We started with 20 fresh recruits, bright-eyed, full of promise, moderately flammable. Go that. One by one, they tumbled, slipped, made mistakes. But not Sam. Sam's still here, standing tall. And now, they face the final test. No simulations, just live action, real-time chaos, and a whole lot of cardio. All right, rookie, quit loitering around. We got work to do. Bricksburg meets Sam, the last recruit standing. The chosen one, the legend in the making. And you still got all your limbs attached. Good. Always a strong start. Now, listen up, Sam. You've survived obstacle courses, high-speed drills, and my advanced-level donut fetching simulations. But today's the real deal. That in your hand is the single most important object in Bricksburg. Looks like a regular phone, right? Wrong! This baby holds the deepest secrets of the Bricksburg Police Department. Every undercover officer, every top secret file. It even has my audition song for the Bricksburg Talent Show on it. This gets into the wrong hands, whole department goes boom. That's why we store it in the most secure vault in Bricksburg. The vault's so impenetrable that even I, Lieutenant Duke Detay, need at least 3 minutes to break in. Makes sense. Somebody just did it in one. The phone is gone. We don't know who or what we're dealing with, but I got a name. No Face. Some say they're an AI, a rogue code. Others say they're just a hacker with too much free time and a serious glow stick addiction. Oh, that's probably the chief element. Maybe my lunch will arrive. Lieutenant Duke Detay speaking. Over.
Ah, Duke Detay.
No Face. I knew it was you. Wait, how did you find this radio channel? You're not an officer. Over.
Thank you so much for letting my crew and I take your precious phone. It'll come in very useful when destroying the Bricksburg Police Department.
Stop! You can't steal from someone as handsome as me. Over.
That's where you're wrong, Detay. The phone is mine.
No! Okay, over now. Stop, grunts! That's police property. Also, my audition song is on there. Sam, your mission is simple. Get it back. Oh, and try to come back in one piece. Oh, come on. There's a whole relay team? Ooh, smooth moves, rookie. I taught them that. Okay, I didn't, but I thought of that, which is basically the same thing. Hey, careful with that. You break it, you buy it. Sam, buddy, love the enthusiasm, but let's remember to keep hold of the boat. Ooh, that's unfortunate. Get it together, rookie. Huh? Did that trash can just move? Wait a minute. I really need to cut down on the coffee. Ha! I knew it! See that? Now, that's what I call being a cop. Love to see it. Whoa! Fire! Quick, Sam! Grab that hose! No, I told the designers that adding fire was a bad idea. But now, there are no limits in this city. Well, what are you waiting for? Get it! Wait, there's more of them. I think I need a donut. You know, still in the sleep I make this donut so. Hey, keep that phone away from the water. Hey, who took my donut? Huh? What's going on over there? Better not be fooling around. What do you think this is? Break time? Come on. I mean, it does look fun, but come on! Ah, this is my jam.
Do you like donuts? Do you like truck? Then make your way down to the dump.
This is a holdup, not a hotel. Come on, rookie. Get up. Sam, no! That's dangerous! Awesome, but still dangerous! Hey, that's my donut! Up there! Look! That's enough tomorrow. Yo. They stole my toad. Take him down. Get it, rookie! Everyone, this is what we practiced. Time to cheer Sam on. Sam, 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 Sam.